7 reasons why email marketing is the best strategy for online businesses. Have you ever wondered why every online store you patronize wants to stay in touch with you via email? Well, that's email marketing. At least 1 out of every 3 blogs you visit is interested in keeping you updated on current topics. There must be a reason why you keep getting emails every week from a business you patronized over a year ago. Indeed, there's something about the use of email by businesses. We can say that it is a cheap and effective strategy for businesses to stay connected to their customers. It is also an excellent method for sending out important messages when the need arises. But much more than that, it is an essential marketing tool. Email marketing is one of the most effective strategies for building any business. Whether it's a small online business or a large firm, there's no doubt about email marketing's suitability for growth. This explains why marketers work hard to integrate email marketing as part of their marketing campaigns. The thing is, email marketing works, regardless of the size of your business. And if you have yet to start executing this fantastic marketing strategy, then here are 7 reasons why you should consider doing so for your online business. Number 1. It is cost-effective. According to a study by Shop.org and Forrester Research, about 85% of US retailers use email marketing as their marketing tool. Another study reveals that for every $1 you spend on an email marketing campaign, you make about $40. That's explosive if you ask me. Even with the advent of new technologies for advertising and marketing, email marketing still has the highest ROI. It is more economical than other forms of paid advertising like billboards, pay-per-click, affiliate marketing, print, media, and even social media. There's no better way to keep people who show interest in your business engaging with your content. This is not to mention the added benefit of directing prospects to your website with just a single click. Email marketing is relatively inexpensive, but it requires craftiness, especially when creating a captivating CTA. Besides serving as a means to communicate how juicy your offers are, it also has to feature an irresistible call to action. Number 2. It is interactive and transactional. Emails are highly interactive and transactional. People forward, click, reply, mark as important, pin, etc., more than half of the time. In other words, email marketing is a great way to get people to take action. And that's why you need to include a powerful CTA in your correspondences. Number 3. It is measurable. With email marketing, it's easy to measure the progress and performance of your campaigns. There's no room for guesswork, either. You can see the number of people who received your emails, those who opened it, and their behavior after opening your email. Most email service providers allow you to measure your campaign's performance based on your subscribers' insights. You can see how many people respond to your messages each time. It also shows you the number of those who click on your website link and the pages they visited on your website. Number 4. Most people read their emails on mobile devices. This is probably one of the most significant advantages you enjoy as an avid email marketer. You can reach the majority of your subscribers on their mobile devices at any time of the day. Although not everyone on your mailing list will open your email or take action immediately, you can be sure that a reasonable number of them will see your messages within 1 hour of receiving it. The good thing is that you can use these statistics to measure your email performance. You can see the number of people who have read your email and the type of devices they used. Some email clients will reveal the recipient's locations when they open the email. And that can help you to target your audience better. Number 5. It is the best customer retention tactic. In the digital marketing world, you cannot downplay the importance of customer retention. As you hit your sales target, it is essential to remember that retaining old customers is as important as acquiring new ones. The good news is that more studies continue to reveal that an email marketing strategy is effective in customer acquisition and retention. And this is obvious because if your emails always engage people, they will easily remember your brand the next time they need to make a purchase. Number 6. You can send targeted messages. Email marketing is best for online businesses because it allows you to send highly targeted messages. However, it also works well when you need someone to come into your store, and you are able to provide something of value, such as a coupon, discount, or gift of some kind. Most marketers and advertisers would kill for this. The power of advertising lies in reaching the right people with your message, especially when they most need it. Email marketing offers this. Don't forget that your subscribers signed up themselves, and that's because they believe you have what they need. This eliminates the guesswork in marketing and sends your results sky high. Number 7. It is easy to use. The simplicity of email marketing is unrivaled. Anyone can get the job done. Email marketing is not just cheap and effective but also easy to use. No other marketing strategy offers you instant and unrestricted access to a global audience with just a few simple clicks. Even if you decide to hire someone to assist with the task, it is pretty much less complicated than most other methods of promoting your brand. In like manner, it is easy to see the results and performance of your campaigns every time. You can acquire more customers, improve your sales, and understand what your customers' needs are. All these are affordable with an effective email marketing strategy. Email marketing is the best method for any online business to grow its impact.